Today we're making mini pizzas. This is one of my go-to recipes, and I swear when I'm a mom, this is gonna be my kid's favorite. Let's get started. Here's the tea. I actually learned this in my grade 9 home economics class, and it's been my favorite ever since. I mean, it's really easy. The ingredients are super simple. It's just a mini pizza. So you're gonna have some pizza sauce, some cheese, and your favorite toppings. I like to go in with mushrooms, green pepper, and pepperoni. And for the pizza crust, I'm using an English muffin. Now let's assemble our pizza. You're gonna grab your English muffin top and it's not a muffin top. Triggered! Go in with your English muffin and add your pizza sauce on top, swirl it around, and then add some cheese. Sprinkle it on or pile it on, depends on you. We've got our base done, so now we can add our toppings. The best part of this recipe is you can add whatever toppings you want. And you know what I'm learning about food? There's no good or bad food. Everything just has to be balanced and in moderation. And even though this is pizza, I don't feel guilty at all because I know what's in it. I made it. So not feeling guilty about food is definitely a non-scale victory for me. Now we're ready to throw these in the oven at 375 for 7 to 8 minutes or whenever the cheese is nice and bubbly.
And while that's baking, I'm logging everything in my Weight Watchers app. So I get 31 points a day. This meal was only 7 points. And don't feel guilty about eating the foods you love. And if you're starting a weight loss journey, start with a friend because research shows you actually lose more weight with them than without.